Hey guys, I'm back again. I just got this plastic bottle from right there in that ground area there. You see an indentation, and I'm standing here and I look in there. Can you see it? Right here is a piece of a rainbow bracelet. Puzzles on there. It's only a piece though. I thought it was going to be the whole thing, but it wasn't. Oh well. So yeah, I'm going to start collecting bottles, plastic bottles now to recycle those. Paper supposed to also, but maybe not. I'm just going to do the plastic bottles for right now. So yeah. And what is in that plant? Oh, still got the tag on the plant. That's wild. And a pine tree grown up in here. So I'm gonna walk over here to this area here. Oh, I got a little ant on me. Oh. And another one of those metal lids that sticks to a magnet. Pocket all that. We'll check it out over here and see what we can find. Oh, I heard a bird. Did you hear it? They might have a nest nearby. I don't see the bird, but I hear it. It could be in this mess. Inside all this dead brownness. See, that should be cut out, the deadness, so it can look prettier. Don't know. So, just stepped on some bark there from this tree. Can walk over this way. Yep, I'm gonna have to piece this one all together. It's more of a street sweeper find right there. Another piece of metal to add to my collection. So, yeah. Oh, another plastic bottle. See, I just gotta try to smush them flat. And be like Thubprint. Thub. Thubprint. Thubprint. He's also in Canada. And he collects plastic bottles also. And speaking of that, there's another plastic bottle right over here. I shall grab it. Got it. Alright, there's some Sweet Tarts, Smarties if anybody's hungry for some candy. Bag of salt. No? Okay. Well, it's about that time to head back to the car, and I think I might see a can over here, but I'm not certain. Gotta make sure nobody's turning in while I'm crossing the road. Don't want to get smushed. It is a can. Huh. Should have brought a plastic bag with me after all, huh? Make sure it's all empty before I get it to my car and I can smush it. Smush them all. Just like that, y'all. It's so easy. So yeah, I guess that is actually it. A broken pen. Ooh. No, I thought that was like a, oh, it is. It is a mesh bag, but there's nothing in it, so it's all broken up. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. What is that? It looks like an earring, y'all. Do you see it? Right there? Yeah, I'm gonna go with that's an earring. Yeah, it's a cheap plastic earring. I'll throw it away. Hey, wait a minute. A drill bit. Do you see it right there? Drill bit. Yeah, buddy. I'll take tools anytime, any day. Coolness. All right. Let's go put this in the car and we'll say over and out. Thanks for watching again. Bye. Bottle cap. All right, now bye.